Language is a system of communication. We communicate with each other in some language, like English, Hindi, or some other language. We need to communicate with computers also in order to make them work for us. We need to give data and instructions to the computer in a way that it can understand, and the way we do so is called a programming language. A programming language consists of all the symbols, characters, and usage rules that permit people to communicate with computers. Let us see the development of computer languages from machine language to high-level languages and further to modern 4GL/5GL languages. Generations of computer languages. First generation languages, 1GLs. Machine language. In the beginning, the instructions were given to the computer in machine language. It was pure machine code made up of zeros and ones, binary language. A set of ones and zeros as 111-011-01 had a specific meaning to a computer. Programmers had to design their code and then transfer it to a computer by using a punch card, punch tape, or flicking switches. Writing machine language was very cumbersome and complicated and could be accomplished by experts only. It was difficult to edit and update the code. It used specific processor features and therefore could not be ported to other systems. The machine code was very fast and efficient when executed. Machine language is low-level language. A low-level language requires that the programmer have detailed knowledge of how the computer works, since he had to specify every detail of an operation. Because of that, there were very few programmers. To make programming simpler, other programming languages were developed. These languages, however, must ultimately be translated into machine language before the computer can understand and use them. Types of software. System software, application software. System software. System software or operating system is the software used by the computer to translate inputs from various sources into a language which a machine can understand. It is a set of programs that controls all the operations of a computer system. Operating system. Operating system is a part of system software that makes the computer run. It controls the working of the hardware as well as the software. It manages all the input, storage, processing, and output activities of a computer system. An operating system has to be installed before running any other software in it. Some popular operating systems are Unix, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Linux. Device drivers. Device drivers are the software used to control printers, scanners, hard disk drives, CD or DVD drives, digital camera, etc. Utility software. Utility software is a system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. Like all other system software, utilities focus on computer-centric tasks such as blocking viruses or diagnosing hard disk errors instead of document production or accounting. A set of basic utilities is included with your operating system. In Windows, all the utilities supplied by Microsoft can be accessed from the control panel, for example, devices and printers, Windows Firewall, disk cleanup, etc. Utility software is not considered part of the operating system and users often install replacements or additional utilities. Application software. The software that is designed for a specific application is called application software. It helps the user as a tool to do a particular type of job. For example, MS Word helps you to write letters, notes, etc. Application software can further be categorized into two types: general purpose software and customized software. General purpose software. Application software are available for different kinds of general purpose applications. A few examples are word processors. These software help us in writing letters, essays, taking notes, etc. We can type using the keyboard and can make corrections also while typing and even after the typing. An example of word processor is MS Word. Graphics software. You can create drawings on a computer using graphics software. Many tools like pencil, brushes, colors, eraser are available. You can draw and paint and give shade effects as needed. MS Paint is an example of graphics software. MS Print. Database software. Database software helps to store and arrange large amount of data in the computer. We can view that data in the form of meaningful reports. Some examples are MS Access, SQL Server, Oracle. MS Access. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software are used to calculate and analyze data in many different ways. Pictorial representation of data also helps to analyze it. Its ability to prepare customized complex reports makes it more useful. Microsoft Excel is an example of spreadsheet software. MS Excel. Caution: all software freely available on the web may not be helpful for PC. Indiscriminate downloading of software may slow down your system. Presentation software. A presentation software is a software package used to display information in the form of a slideshow. It may include text, audio, video, animation, and charts, etc. Microsoft PowerPoint, Corel presentations, and OpenOffice Impress are the commonly used programs. MS Paint. Desktop publishing software. Desktop publishing software is a tool for creating books, magazines, brochures, newspapers, advertisements, business cards, greeting cards, web pages, posters, and many more. Programs such as Adobe InDesign, Adobe PageMaker, Microsoft Publisher, Quark Express, or are examples of desktop publishing software. MS Paint. Web browser. A web browser is also a software application for retrieving, presenting, and transversing information resources on the World Wide Web. This is commonly referred to as a browser. Customized application software. Custom software, also known as tailor-made software, is software that is specifically developed for some specific organization or user. It can accommodate that customer's particular preferences and expectations. Software designed for hospitals, railways, different banks are the examples of customized software. Software designed for hospitals.